Kung hindi mataas yung mga pangarap mo, wag na lang. Kung hindi ka willing to have discipline and apply and do what needs to be done, wag na lang. Kung hindi mo gustong lumaki yung income mo at madoble yung income mo, wag na lang. Yes, I am growing my team and I'm looking to add new financial advisors in my team. Pero kung extra income lang yung goal mo at hanap mo, wag na lang, hindi ka para rito. Kasi malaki yung kita rito sa AIA, sa life insurance, pero hindi to madali. Kung pera-pera lang ang hanap mo at magbebenta lang pero pababayaan yung clients, wag na lang. Kung hindi ka magtatrabaho ng may puso at really mission before commission, wag na lang. Yes, malaki yung kita. Pwedeng mabago yung buhay. No, pero again, hindi yung nagtatagal sa life insurance, it's not just all about the money. It's about the mission. It's about the service. It's after sales service. It's really caring for people. That's what I learned. And that's what I continue to learn in this industry. So if you are not coachable, if you are not willing to follow what needs to be done, if you're not willing to give time, at least 12 hours a week kung part-time, 55 hours a week kung full-time, wag na lang. Hindi ito para sa'yo. Hindi ikaw yung hinahanap namin. Alright? Madidelist ka lang din. 'Di ba? May certain expertise and excellence na kailangan, lalo na sa team namin. But, for everyone here na gustong pumasok sa life insurance industry, kasi it's not just all about you, it's about your clients. So, kung magbebenta ka sa mga clients mo, tapos iiwanan mo rin lang sila, wag na lang. Alright? Marami nag-i-invite din dyan, different companies. Maraming nasa industry na to, maraming sila nire-recruit. Kami, we wanna make sure in our team that we have high-quality advisors, committed advisors, gustong kumita, negosyo ang hanap, hindi extra income, at gusto talaga makatulong. Maybe if you're people na sawang-sawa ka na on how other financial advisors approach and sell to their clients or mali ang pagbebenta, maybe you would like to step up and take it upon yourself and ikaw na ang maggawa at magbenta sa mga kaibigan mo, sa family mo. Maybe ikaw yung para rito. But if hindi ganon, if gusto mo kita lang, if you want easy money, if you want something na fad, work from home lang, hindi ito para sa'yo. Kasi you go out, you meet your people, you meet our team once in a while, hindi man kailangan daily. No, so if you're not willing to commit, wag na lang.